Bethany and welcome to today's video. Today I'm really excited to be showing you some sticker shops that I like that fit the plum paper. So the shops I'm going to be highlighting had to fit a few criteria. They had to have stickers that fit the plum paper specifically. I obviously use a lot of stickers that are not from these shops, but these are ones that have kits and stickers that are again formatted for plum paper very specifically. They also had to have a layout that I use. So I currently use a daily 7x9. I also have a vertical column 7x9. I also use 8.5 by 11 hourly, and then I also have an 8.5 by 11 horizontal priorities. So had to fit one of those to be able to try them. I'm going to show you 4 sticker shops that I absolutely love. I do some discount codes for some of them, so I'll make sure to put those in the description box below. So if you like any of these shops, check that out if you're interested in doing some sticker shopping. And definitely let me know if there are shops that I have missed, because again, this is only 4 shops. I know there are others that do have plum paper, but again, these are ones that I've tried and that I really like. So if you do have others that you'd like to see me showcase or review, we can do a part 2 of this if anyone is interested. If there are other shops, definitely let me know what else I should be trying. They would have to, again, have stickers that fit planners that I have. So like I don't have any of the A5 sizes, for example. But again, if you have any suggestions of stuff you'd like to see, other shops, I would love to try them. So let me know in the comments below. All right, so without further ado, let's take a look at some stickers.
All right, let's dive in and get started. So the first shop I want to talk about is Ever-Changing Plans. If you have searched Etsy at all, if you search plum paper stickers, Ever-Changing Plans is probably going to be the first thing to come up. There are so many options that Andy has in her shop, everything from A5 size to the larger 8.5 by 11, like I have here. Highlights, monthly, functional, you name it, it's up there. She's also starting to carry daily kits as well as weekly kits, which you'll see on my channel here later this month as I start to plan through. So I'm excited to use some of those as well. So what I'm showing you through here, like I said, I'm just going to do a sample from each. This is a highlights kit. Also comes with this habit tracker for below. Also want to show you this monthly kit. So here is that, again, month setup, all the basics, and then also with the 8.5 by 11, here is that larger sidebar and extra stickers as well with some icons and, you know, separators, that kind of thing. Super cute kit. Loving the Alice Halloween so much. And I'm also excited to be working with Ever-Changing Plans to bring you some PR info. And so code Bethany10 will get you 10% off at Ever-Changing Plans. Check it out. I know I've spent literally hours on her Etsy shop just shopping around and picking out different stickers. It's so fun. And again, rest assured, if you buy from her shop, they're definitely going to fit your plum paper planner amazingly. All right, next shop I want to share with you will probably not come as any surprises. I just did a video all about her sticker subscription, but that is Sammy Doodle Designs. So Sammy Doodle Designs carries stickers for the highlights page as well as the monthly layout, and then also the plum paper 7x9 vertical as well. So that'd be the weekly kits too. I'm loving these stickers. One difference that I'll start to point out and try to be better about remembering this with Sammy Doodle, the highlights is a rectangle. So you still get the circular look with the ease of putting down a rectangle. And then just to switch back to Ever-Changing Plans for a minute, Ever-Changing Plans are individual circle stickers so that you will have, again, you can do white background or whatever you want behind. As far as my personal preference for individual circles on the highlights or rectangle, honestly, it's a hard call for me. I like them both. I think that it's nice to have just, again, keeping the look of the planner with just the circles, but also it's really nice to have the ease and the extra decoration of the rectangle as well. So honestly, it just suits my mood and what you like, but just note that they're a little bit different there. So the next shop I want to talk about is Alexandra Nicole Plans. Now, Alexandra Nicole Plans, you probably know I love her shop so much. I show her stickers all the time in my weekly plan with me's. But Alexandra Nicole Plans does do highlights pages as well for the plum paper. She also has kits that are specifically for the plum paper 7x9 verticals. And then she also does some really beautiful daily kits as well. So this is just a little sampling. Here is highlights page. And this one again is individual stickers, much like Ever-Changing Plans. But the highlights, I love these scripts here, so beautiful. So that is the highlights page, and this is just a kit just to kind of show you one of the designs, keeping with that Halloween theme. This is not the plum paper because what I'm doing is I'm doing the individual date covers and then her original kits for fitting my larger plum paper, but she does have ones that are also formatted exactly perfectly to the 7x9 weekly pages as well. And then last but not least, we have Orange Umbrellico. So Orange Umbrellico does some really pretty kits for the plum paper daily in the 7x9 size. So what's nice about the Orange Umbrellico stickers is you get pretty much like a whole week's worth in one kit. So you can see there's so many washi strips. I've already used some of these. And you also get those, again, covers for the header area, meal stickers, and then this box to fit that gray box in the planner. And because I'd used part of that kit, I thought it's only fair to show you what it looks like in my daily planner. So this is one spread that I did that I actually also filmed a plan with me for, so I will link that up above. But this was a really pretty kit, and I've been just loving all the fall vibes.
And there you have it. That is my sticker review of the shops that I am loving that make kits to fit the Plum Paper Planners specifically. So again, can't say it enough. Let me know what I'm missing, because I know there can't be just 4, right? There are probably others. So let me know what shops you like that have plum paper stickers, or if you'd like me to try anything out, check it out, do a review for you. I'd be happy to do that. Let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day, great week, and we will chat soon. Bye, guys.